Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and ask your coach a question on the ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page we can get started with using the application, but first thing you need to do is to go ahead and either buy a subscription or start using the free trial, because ladder cannot be used for free. So once you've done that, here at the bottom right corner you're going to see the teams option that's going to enable you to select your team. You can scroll to see all the teams that you have and all the coaches, from where you can get started selecting which one you want to use, and after that you can get started with asking your coach a question. How do you do so? Well, by going to the chat tab right here. By clicking chat at the bottom of the screen, this is going to give you access to your teammates, community chats, and your messages. This is going to enable you to message your coach to ask a question, but first thing you need to do is to complete the welcome workout. So here in the workout page, as you can see, once you choose your team, you have the welcome workout that you can go ahead and open up and get started completing. So once you've completed your welcome workout, you're going to unlock the chat feature and your teammates, from where you can get started with asking questions, managing your routine, and so on, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.